Hello and welcome. You're watching Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. Home Minister says all-party meeting to decide about CBI probe in drugs nexus case, gives clean chit to police. Karnataka lifts ban on the iron ore for Goa's pig iron plants. GCCI delegation to meet Karnataka officials at Karwar for modalities. Money cannot be a motivator for life. Dare to fall and learn to get up again. Bestseller author Chetan Bhagat tells students at Chogles. Ad hoc court issues warrant to attach PWD head office. Warrant after government's failure to pay a company's dues. And Goa's top motocross rider Alan Sequeira is delighted as government acts promptly on the promises made to the national champion. Now the news in detail. Home Minister Ravi Naik has said that police should not be blamed for Atala's disappearance. Ravi says handing over this case to the CBI will be decided only after an all-party meet on the drugs nexus case.
After Prudent exposed Atala's disappearance, Home Ministry seems completely baffled. Police have now written to the NDPS court seeking cancellation of bail granted to Atala. A lookout notice has also been issued against Atala. Police claim that Atala cannot leave the country as he has no passport.
ज्यांना आता मग परत गेला त्याने तो मिळून दे पण त्या प्रमाणे लुकआउट आणि सगळ्याक फॉरेन रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफिस सगळ्याकडे कळयल्लें आसा लुकआउट म्हणजे केन्ना आसा तेन्ना तो पळय ना म्हणून तांकां कळ्ळो त्या प्रमाणे दिलें आसा डेट आसा 25 ना ते एप्रिलाची ना कित्याक पुलीस कितें तेका गन घेवन कोण ताका सांबाळपा दवरून नाशिल्ले तशी ऑर्डर ना कोर्टाची ना अशें आमच्या देशांत कितल्याशे केसी चलता कोर्टाक प्रत्येकाचे म्हणजे फाटल्यान कशें गन दवरतले घेवन.
The Home Minister says that NCP leaders are unnecessarily blowing the issue.
शरद पवाराकडे वयतले ते आनी मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे वयतले वचूनी येवनी मुख्यमंत्री तर जाय आशिल्ले म्हणून मुख्यमंत्री तर खरें म्हणल्यार ते हितून तर सगळे ते कितें पुरावे आनी कितें तर दिसलेले तो फ्री आशिल्लो हांव एक म्हयनो हेतू आशिल्लो मरे हॉस्पिटल आशिल्लो तो जे हो आमचो कांयच आर्लेकार कांयच उलयना तेवूय केसी तेन्ना कांय उलयले ना आनी आतांय कांय उलयना तेन्ना आमदार आशिल्लो आनी आतांय ते हेजेर पेट्रोलाचे पळय इतले चोर आनी क्रिमिनल ही केस खरें म्हणल्यार ही हेजेर इन्क्वायरी कराक आनी कितें कोणाक धरता तांकां धराक भितर घालाक कोणाक टँकरी कांय ना पब्लिसिटी बेस्ट मेळटा फुकट मेळटा अदरवायज ते झारे नाल्यार ते झारे दिता न्हू ताका लागून ते झारे तेजेर 5,000 8,000 तुमी हे मागीर ते चड पब्लिसिटी आनी मागीर एडवर्टायज कमी जातली एड.
Home Minister Ravi Naik has said the decision about handing over the case to CBI will be taken after an all-party meet.
ना आमी सांगना आमी अजून हे करना आमी रावता तिका तिची स्टेटमेंट बीन येवनी मरे आं नक्की जावपा जायना आमकां सगळें हो आमी 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 हांवें मातशें सांगलां की हांव सगळ्यांची मिटींग आपयतलो हांव मागीर डिसिजन घेता.
Ravi Naik also informed us that he has received complaints from Pedner that some political personalities have been taking haftas from drug peddlers. Police claim that Atala was missing from 7th August.
Considering this present situation, we can call him that he is absconding. Now, under such circumstances, if he has managed to jump the conditions and has managed to abscond himself, then naturally it is going to be a setback in that sense.
A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Karnataka has lifted the ban on ore use by Goa's pig iron plants. Goan industry uses around 25,000 tons of high-grade iron ore per month from Karnataka. The ban on iron ore export had badly affected Goa's pig iron ore plants. Karnataka government has lifted the ban as Goan industry uses the ore as a raw material and not for export. Here is a report.
On 29 July, Karnataka had banned export of ore from state after a multi-crore mining export scam was exposed by Karnataka Lok Ayukt. Nearly 6 million tons of iron ore from Karnataka is exported from Goa. Karnataka's ban on export of iron ore has already affected Goa's mining transport industry. Ore ban had also affected Goa's pig iron ore plants. These plants are heavily relying on Karnataka's high-grade iron ore. Now the matter has been resolved after the intervention of Goa Chamber of Commerce and Industry. GCCI informed Karnataka government that Goa's pig iron ore plant use Karnataka's ore as raw material and industry is suffering due to the ban.
Yes, the local industry to some extent did suffer, and one or two had to close down for the lack of raw material. This even the Chief Secretary of Karnataka sympathized with our presentation. He even instructed that the material which was passing through and was being used as a raw material for the industries be released, and a specific notification be issued in this order.
On Thursday, an important meeting of Goa's pig iron ore industry and Karnataka's official is scheduled at Karwar. During the meeting, further instructions are expected to the ore transporters who transport the ore to Goan pig iron industries. But the worrying fact is, Karnataka is yet to lift complete ban it has put on iron ore export. Goan barge owners, truck drivers and even MPT is losing huge revenues due to ore ban by Karnataka. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar, with video journalist Shan.
It was a morning. Young and bright students of Chogle College spent their romantic bookish hero Chetan Bhagat. Little shy, little funny, Chetan made them smile, ponder and react upon a number of issues. The romantic author of India of some of best-selling books told two simple things to his student fans. Let money not be the only motivator of your life, and dare to fall, learn to get up every time you fall.
The first Founders Day celebrated by the Chogle College at Madgaon got this charismatic author on the dais. Known as the largest selling English language author in India's history, Chetan Bhagat, the romanticist, interacted with students on his own life and challenges that younger generation will face the moment they are out of college. He told them, money is important, but it cannot be most important motivator of our life.
If I tell you now work for 3 years, you'll get this money at the end, I'm telling you, you will lose it. You will lose interest in things. That is what it is. It's a great thing to have. Money is good to have. It gives you security. It gives you ability to buy things and you can enjoy life with it. But it's not a great motivator. So if you're saying I'm only studying because I'll get a job and I'll make money, you will not be able to be motivated. If you're only doing your job because you're only for money, it's not enough. You must have one non-financial reason.
Chetan Bhagat figures in the list of 100 most influential people in the world. He advised students to be instruments of change.
You have to be out there saying, I'm here to improve things. I'm here to leave a better world than I came to. And improve what you can control. Because everything you can't control. And accept what you cannot.
The underage optimist visualized a ray of hope where Indian people and Indian society will encounter some fundamental changes, correcting some of the wrong practices around us.
Traditional India and the modern India is clashing more and more. And it's a very broad term, but it can come in whether your choice of partner, whether your choice of job, whether the way you look at life versus your parents look at life. There is a lot of that friction that will come. And that's how a country changes, frankly. It doesn't change that the Prime Minister one day says, from now on, we are going to become modern. No, it doesn't change that way. People change. And then when people change, then leaders change.
Principal of Chogle College R.V. Gaukar welcomed the gathering. Vice Principal Nandakumar Sawant presented vote of thanks. Trustee of College Umaji Chogle to grace the function. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt, with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Well, it's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.